Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a company which is or the name which quite familiar not only to a country but across continents. So you probably heard about Avengers, so it is Avenger Inc. So the name is quite similar with an I rather than E. Now if you think of Avengers who can save the world, but if you think of Avenger and put your money, it can't help you or it can't save your money for the time being. Or if you can invest it in the last 3 4 or 5 odd years, it never helped you to make money. Okay, so that's how the trend looks like, and this is something means it is like a waterfall chart, and the stock price is falling down in a continuous manner. So one should be very aware about the trend. Probably whether this stock is adjusted enough or not, that I don't know. So that there may be dispute about the price because it started from 10k, but we have split, so I don't know whether it is adjusted or not. But what can't change is the trend. Okay, the trend will be same. So what we can do in this particular stock is we can use the daily chart to have a fair sense of the current price action. But overall, if you see the overall trend, so the price will adjust but the trend will not change. So overall trend is completely negative. Okay, so in this kind of scenario one may get trading bounce, but it is very hard to think of any long term trends which is on the upside in this kind of particular stock. So one should be very aware about that. So we will get back to daily chart. So this is how your daily chart looks like, where it is slightly flat and probably it has broken on the downside also. Okay, so Avenger with I, not with E. So here you have your lowest low, and you can see the stock has broken the low. Now here one can see okay. So as you can see, the most important thing to understand here is 0.24 was your lowest low, and now the stock has broken the downside trend and it's been falling on the downside. So it's better, if you don't have any position, better not to have any position. If you have any position, you know that your big support or the last support has been broken, so you must take your decision on immediate basis and be constructive about what you want to achieve and what you are thinking right now. Do not just take any lame decisions which you have taken prior to the investment and which you will take right now. Don't do that. Okay, and right now as 0.24 breaks, then it will become your resistance, and you have other resistance at as 0.27, 0.31. Now it will become your target, this levels 0.5, and further you have 0.65. so this will be your target levels. But with this breakdown, it is better not to interfere in the trend and not to make a second guess about the stock movement and where it will take its next support. Okay, let the stock decide. This is anyhow a downtrending chart in the overall time frame, and now in the daily chart also you will see that the current and the lowest low or the last support has been broken. Now where it will go, we don't know. Okay, so if you can use the weekly chart also, maybe we cannot. So although the prices are not familiar, but in the weekly trend you can probably check out the trend and how it is moving. And if you just make a line like this, okay, now you can see that probably it is not even near to its next support. So that's why, okay, it can give you an understanding about the trend. That's why I'm saying that you better be aware of it and do not, simply jump into it because it has fallen down, uh, and it does not have any value. Nobody knows whether it will have create value or not in the upcoming days, weeks, or months, because it hasn't been in the past 5 years. So you better aware about all these things and do not take any additional risk in this kind of trades or in this kind of charts. It will do nothing but make your money just vanishes from your pocket and you don't even understand. So don't take these kind of unnecessary risks unless you have a plan, unless you understand what you are doing. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.